Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the Meconoman at YouTube with another tool review. Today we're going to be fabricating our own paint markers, or also known as Gundam markers, with these Cuticle empty pens. Now these are normally a cosmetic product that you would buy with oils, lip gloss, some sort of nail polish on it. You've got a brush tip and a empty vial that could take all sorts of liquids, corrosive or not, excluding pure alcohol and acid. We'll be doing a test to see if we can put lacquer paint and other products into this to apply as a paint marker. Now having a quick look at your standard paint marker, this one is a fine liner. You've got the brush tip, a cap, a cylinder that takes about 3 to 5 milliliters, and a cap at the back to fill the liquid that comes already factory processed airtight. These ones will have some sort of felt material all the way through to absorb the surrounding slurry of paint and thinner and apply it to the tip. Over time, as it empties, it will get air in it and shall dry out. This product, however not as visually appealing for marketing, is fit for a far better purpose. This is your standard tip to seal the chemicals, and you have a felt tip with a small eyedropper on the inside instead of the plastic tip that bends backwards to dispense any paint and thinner, and it's as soft as a brush. What makes this very interesting is the twist plunger. There's a clear plunger here, a twisting mechanism, and sort of like a lipstick wing at the back. Every time you twist, it moves the little threaded piece and the plunger upwards, forcing the liquid into this little hole. How this product is demonstrated is already established bottled oil pens, where they certain amount of force, you're able to break the seal and pop the back, pulling out the whole mechanism. There is a threaded piece inside, and according to the instructions, if you do not twist it where the plunger hits the very top of the vial, you're able to twist it back all the way to its original setting, which will take quite a while until it stops. Quarter twist back, and with a hard wire you reset the plunger. Look at the plunger completely removed. Making sure the gears connect into the biting gears on the outer cover, you're able to snap the whole mechanism in place. This is the tricky bit. Once you get your hands on some airbrush ready paint, or you mix some hand paint about 50-50, and it's able to flow fairly well, we can pour it straight into the pen, just right at the lip. Now as the brush was stored in here like so, we are going to flip it, put it on top, and get a nice airtight fit so it's completely shut. To open it in future once empty and to flush it out with thinner, all you need is some small needle nose or regular pliers, clamp here and pull off. As you can see that there is a bit of an air bubble inside, we're going to twist it to just bleed it out until we can see some paint coming out or staining the actual brush. There you go, it did that by itself. A few twists, the tip is absolutely red, and we're able to colour it in. As the tip dries a bit more, you twist a few notches to pump the syringe, and you keep painting. Once you're done, pop the lid on, make sure it's airtight, and that will prevent the tip or the paint drying out, and you can store as so. not only we can put paint in here, we can also experiment with glues, adhesives, varnishes, thinners for removing things, fluids like Decal-Set and whatnot, washes. That would be far more convenient in pen form instead of opening a bottle and dirtying a brush. This one only has lacquer thinner in it that I've applied several hours ago. As you can see, is removing all the paint. This would be the exact same product as the Gundam marker paint remover. The importance of filling this up with thinner is to make sure that the plastic is able to take lacquer thinner and other solvents, not warp, not bend, as the manufacturing directions did not say it was capable or incapable. Again, the product was developed for cosmetics in mind, so I'm thinking nail polish, oils, lip gloss, that sort of thing. However, what made me want to take the plunge is nail polish has acetone corrosive, and that is a mega plastic melter. So I'm guessing that this is definitely chemical resistant, and the fact that there is no smells, no warpage, no leakage, this product has been very, very safe. For the ultimate test, we're going to paint an actual Gundam kit in a single point with this red paint. I love the fact that you have the control of how much product is actually flowing out. There you go, absolute perfection. In the event that you run out of trouble, you can open up the brush tip and put a couple of drops of thinner, shake it around. However, if you screw up the screw mechanism that pushes the plunger, you're all out of problems. It will completely dismantle, so you can soak all the components in bleach or paint thinner, clean it up, put a whole new paint product in it. So once you shell out the expense of getting multiple of these, you can keep reusing them until something eventually mechanically breaks. Being only a couple of dollars a unit and thinning existing hobby paints or even industrial and car paints, you can save a lot of money by mixing your own markers. And if you need a very particular color or a metallic, pearlescent, anything, it's not outside of your realm to mix it yourself. This has been highly successful, and I definitely recommend this product. You should be able to get it from cosmetic and makeup wholesalers on the internet, such as eBay, in bulks of 5, 20 to 100. Or anyone residing in Australia can purchase this from the Salt Mine Hobby Shop if they choose. This concludes the video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned for further content. Very happy to answer any questions in the comment section below. In the description section, I'll have links to all the social medias where you'll get more updates on projects, uploads, and other business news occurring in the hobby industry. During the pandemic lockdown of 2020, I'm making a lot of vlog and extra content on the second YouTube channel, also in the link below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, see you later.